Now we are going to start up with Matlab and learn what is its layout, how to fetch help, how to do basic mathematics, what are different output formats, and what is a script. So Matlab layout is composed of four main parts: the command window, where you execute command, you type in something and then hit enter and it executes. And then there is workspace, which saves variables, values, and all the functions. And then there is current directory that shows all the files in the current directory that you're using. And then there is menu bar that shows commands and options. So on the very top we have the command or main menu bar. It's composed of different toolbars. At the moment you can only see three toolbars: home, plot, and apps. The main one is the command window, where you type something and then hit enter and then it executes. On the right is workspace and on the left is current directory. So it's very important to understand why we would need help. So if we are not sure about how a function ends, or if we are not sure about how to input a function, then we can just fetch help for it. Then we can just fetch help for it and then see what is the detail of it, what is the definition of it, how you can input it. Just see how I fetch help for a very basic function. Have a look on how I fetch help. Now it doesn't understand what to do help with, and it needs a help name. Now it gives you the square root and how you can enter it, and then any other function. And it also shows you examples and how to structure it. So basic mathematics is, or basic arithmetics I should say, is the multiplication, division, and all the functions that you see in the list. So we can do it with the same precedence that is used in all the mathematical operations. Have a look on how I perform different operations and how the precedence is evaluated. So a simple addition and multiplication won't matter much, and you can look at the precedence of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is evaluated with multiplication first, and the answer keeps changing in the workspace every time we evaluate something. Now have a look, for example, the workspace answer is changed because we did not assign this answer to any variable. The output can be in different formats. For example, it can be a full integer, it can be in scientific, or it can be in a long string of numbers. So it really matters how you want to display the numbers. So you can change the format by format command. So let's say we have a simple arithmetic number. Now I want to short this format, and you can see that Now the answer is the same, but the notation is different. And now again, have a look. A script is a sequence of commands that is used for programming, and it is for executing long codes or different variations of the program. So it can contain many structures, substructures, or subcodes, or subscripts. And you can write a code in a text format and then copy paste it and run it in Matlab. There are two most important commands that you will use extensively in Matlab. One is CLC, clear screen, and then other is clear variable. So it's only called clear. If you hit clear, then it will wipe out everything in the workspace. And if you clear just one variable, then it will only clear that one. Thank you very much and have a great day.